Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Racing Kingdom application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this tutorial will guide you through the steps. First of all, unlock your device and open up Google Play Store for Android or open up the App Store for iPhone or iPad. In the search box, type in Racing Kingdom and search. In the search result, look for this application from Super Gears and then tap on the install or the get button. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take a few minutes, depending upon the internet speed you have. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to download and install the app on your device. You can then open the app and enjoy Racing Kingdom right on your smartphone. Always remember to download apps from the official stores only and avoid third-party sites to keep your device safe. If this video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials and gaming guides. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.